Installing Java for Windows. The FTC Live Scorekeeper software requires Java in order to run properly. If you are using a Windows laptop, then you need to ensure that you have the Java 8 or later runtime software installed. You can download the software for free from java.com. Using your web browser, navigate to java.com and follow the on-screen instructions to download the Java installer program. Once the file has been downloaded, right-mouse-click on the file and select Open to begin the installation. Note that Windows might prompt you and ask if it's okay to install the software. If this happens, click on Yes to continue with the installation. When prompted, click on the Install button to install the Java runtime software. The installation process might take a few minutes. When it's complete, a dialog box should appear indicating that the install was a success.